Hi, let's formulate micellar cleansing water in today's class. Remember, if you're watching this on YouTube, please like, share, follow for more. We are going to be formulating 4 different types of micellar cleansing water. Not all will be dropped here, some will be in the class. If you want to join our class, you know how to reach us. Just send us a message. There you can join either you can join us either online or a physical class. All right, so let's get to micellar cleansing water. For the formula, I'm measuring 94.4 gram of distilled water and 0.1 gram of disodium EDTA. EDTA is a chelating agent which binds with metal ions and help keep your formula stable. I'm mixing it with the solvent, which is the distilled water. For micellar cleansing water, you don't need lots of ingredients. You can keep it simple, just your water, which is your solvent, your preservative, and then the surfactant that is going to be cleansing the skin. But today we are going to be using more than that. I'm using propanedol 1,3 at 2 gram. Propanedol is an humectant. You can use any type of humectant you like, which is glycerin, xylitol, propylene glycol, any type of humectant you choose to. Now it's time to add the surfactant, which is AOS 40 that we are using. The inky is sodium C14, C16, alpha olefin sulfonate. You can also use any other type of surfactant you have, but keep it at very low percentage because we don't want it to feel sticky on the skin. You can use cocoa glucoside, caprylic glucoside, any other type. I'm still going to show you another type of surfactant that we use, but that one will be like in another video. All right, so this one is not going to make your feel greasy because it doesn't contain oil. Now we're adding a preservative, which is liquid Jama Plus. Liquid Jama Plus is easy to source anywhere. You can also use any other type of preservative, but make sure that the percentage, the pH is at the pH of the micellar cleansing water you're formulating. So we used liquid Jama Plus at 0.5 gram, while the AOS 40 is at 3 gram. By the time you add all this together, everything will give you 100 gram. Now it's time to check the pH. Make sure the pH is around 4.5 to 5.5 because we don't want the pH to be high for the skin because it's going to be left on the skin. You can use a micellar cleansing water before you wash your face, or you can use it to remove your makeup and just leave it on like that without rinsing the whole face off. So which means there's no water required. It can replace your normal face wipe that you use to remove your makeup. And then it removes dirt and impurities on your skin. Micellar cleansing water is really okay to use by anybody, and anybody you can formulate your own. There are other ingredients you can also add, which are thickener to viscosity enhancer to increase the viscosity. You know, as water is very liquid, you can enhance it a little bit, and there are gum or any other viscosity enhancer you can use to do that. You can also add fragrance, which is also optional, or essential oil, your choice, and then color. Also, you can go ahead and add actives. These actives will help you make sure that if let's say you have acne prone skin, or you want it to at least brighten the skin, you can choose active that can do these things. All right, so that's all about micellar cleansing water. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more, because we have more of this formula for you. It's very easy to formulate, right? You can see. So in summary, you need solvent, humectant, preservative, chelating agent, surfactants. These are the ingredients that can go inside your micellar cleansing water: viscosity enhancer, fragrance, pH adjusting ingredients, color and actives. Now we have the pH is around 4 to 5, so we are going to leave it here. If you want to increase your pH, you can use L-arginine or sodium hydroxide. But if you are reducing the pH, use citric acid. If you don't have citric acid, you can always use lactic acid to reduce the pH of your micellar cleansing water. And it depends on the kind of ingredients you combine together that will determine the outcome of the pH of your formula. You might not really need to adjust like that. So thank you for listening and watching today's own. We'll be dropping more. Share, like, and this is the end of it. You can see. Hope you enjoyed this. Follow us for more and or join our class.